Some choose to treat you like acolytes. Hands heavy cause I'm trying to eat. Most sleep through the appetite. Can't breathe through, must bleed through. Sacrifice, success may never come. Only greet you in the afterlife. This open chapter's life. Ride by the law, here's you read, you have your rights. Thoughts take flight, they depleted you advice. Lab rats, they feed you parasites. They teach you suicide, speak, preach advice. There's a shadow within my sin, miss a cease to strikes. Anything positive, complete to miles. Preaching override. The problem is we choose not to defeat, to end the mind. Shackle the conscious, dismantle the confident. Gamble the positive, better with hardship. Be a man made of content. Setting examples of passive advantage. A shoplift knowledge, you stab, you and leave you broken hearted. I can feel my pulse fade on a Sunday under an archway. Your tongue's lashing at a coach blade. Fucking up the feng shui.